Hello friends, I am Major Professor Dr. Vayadoke, Professor and Head, Department of English, Tulja Bhavani Mahavidyalaya, Tuljapur. We are talking on the part of past tense. So, how we can define the term of tenses? Tenses, the term denotes the time of an action, and that an action can take place in the past, present, or shall take place in the future. And so there are three main tenses in English: present tense, past tense, and future tense. If you have understood the first part of tense, that is present tense, very clearly, you can understand the second part, that is of past tense. How we can understand the past tense? The past tense refers to a verb tense that expresses actions or states in the past. In addition, they are used to talk about hypothesis and for politeness. For example, there are three tenses. These are: he went to the market, he was working as a teacher, he had been living in that house since August. In these three sentences from the past, first sentence belongs to simple past tense, second sentence that is belong to continuous past tense, and third one to the continuous past perfect tense. There are various types of tenses, that is past tense. There are, that four types of tenses that together make up past tense, namely simple or infinitive, continued or progressive, perfect or complete, perfect continuous. These type of four types of tenses also belong to simple present tense, continuous or continuous present tense, perfect present tense, perfect present continuous. In the same manner are referred in future tense. What is the function of simple past tense in time expresses? So, the simple past tense describes an action and states that began and ended at a specific time in the past. For example, she read the book last Sunday. In this sentence, the act of reading book took place in the past and happened on last Sunday. So the action of reading book started and also completed in the past. So there is a structure in simple past tense, that if we make use of simple past tense in connection with the affirmative sentences. So what type of structure of the simple past tense in affirmative sentence? Subject plus second form of verb plus object. For example, I took tea. The same sentence for negative sentence, that subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object. For example, Yogesh did not help me. For interrogative sentence, the structure of the sentence is like did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object. For example, did Ayesha help me? WH questions with past tense. The structure is like this: WH word plus did plus subject plus first form of a verb plus object. For example, when did she meet her friend? So, use of simple past tense. The simple past tense denoted an action that happened in the past and has no connection with the present. With most verbs, the past tense is formed by adding the suffix ed to the verb. So these verbs are called as regular verbs. So, for example, waited, worked, created, and so on. However, there are many verbs which do not take the ed as suffix in their past form. Such verbs are called as irregular verbs. For example, went, sought, sat, bought, and so on. The simple past tense is used in sentences to denote an action that happened once in the past. For example, she met her husband in 1988. Second rule of the simple past tense: to denote an action that happened regularly in the past. For example, he ate a lot when he was a child. That means happening of an action of eating a lot was going on regularly from childhoodness. Next rule of the use of simple past is to denote an action that was true for some time in the past. Means time expression. For example, she lived with her parents for 20 years. Then function of another type of past tense, that is past continuous tense. The past continuous tense describes an action that began in the past and is still going on at the moment of speaking. It is formed from the past tense of the verb be with the ing suffix. For example, I was watching TV when she called. In this sentence, two actions took place at a time. Means the first action of watching TV and at the same time calling by her. Next sentence, children were playing games. Means at the time of speaking by the speaker, the action was over. That means the action was going on in the past. She was running when she saw a bear. That means actually she started running when she saw a bear. Next sentence, they were having a birthday party last Sunday. So action of taking place birthday or to have a birthday on the particular time. Then what type of structure in continuous past tense? In the simple sentence, the structure of the continuous past tense, subject plus auxiliary verbs from the past tense was where as per gender, then first form of verb plus ing plus object. For example, Ali was flying kite. Then the structure of continuous past tense, that is in negative sentence, subject plus auxiliary verbs from the past as per gender was where as per the singular or plural form of sentence, tense, subject plus not plus first form of verb plus object. For example, Ali was not flying kite. And structure in continuous past tense for interrogative sentence. Initially, in the sentence, auxiliary verbs from the past was where plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. So the sentence, was Ali flying kite,